Hi guys, Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry here. I noticed that the fancy ear wires earrings sells the best, so I just want to share with you some of my favorite ones, which is very easy to make, and you can guys use any beads you want. It can be very simple, but meaning that you can use just only one bead. You can make them elongated, crazy with tons of beads, but I just want to share how I make this part. And you can also leave it how I will show, or you can also put little bead in there, like in this pair. Needed a little bit more polishing. They were in a level of sulfur and not polished completely yet, but that's what I want to share. And let's get to our tools. We need our tools, round nose plier, flat nose plier. We need our cutters, and if your wire is not straightened, you might need a wire straightener. We'll use 21 gauge today, so let's quickly straighten our wire. And I will need about inch of my wire kinked, so I will kink that right there. So that will be later used for wrapping around this main one. If you want to use bead in the middle, leave it a little bit longer, 1.5 inch, more than enough. And I use my pliers for this. So where the kink is, we just position our pliers just like that, so you see the two dots, and then you go around. It's hard when you do on a camera, but just go around and you will have a little petal. See it? That will be a lot of wiggling back and forth, so just make sure the wire is sitting nicely flat here, not going up and down, like on the same level. And I'm going back in that and do another loop, another twist. Going back. Usually I go tighten it. I make this wire sitting back to from here to here, and only then I position my pliers like that again and make another complete petal. You see? It could be messy. Your project could be messy looking until you're not. Okay, so see, the wire goes back here. You can nicely make sure your loops are the same basically, but I never strike for perfection. So I still do it after we have two of them. I still make this wire sitting on the same level of this. See? Yeah. And I will use a little space, so I put the tip of my pliers and I kink that way. When I kink that way, I put pliers back here and I just go complete loop with all the way until they cross, something like that. Then you can use, it's better to use flat nose plier for that. So I will hold it and navigate wire back. Basically space here and space here for me is the same. So what I do is I hold both of them, both of these wires tight, and make this wire spread that way, because we will need to make another side. You just want a little space here, that's it. And we're making another side. So I position my pliers right there, and make on first one. The first one. Later we can straighten everything, so don't worry about it. Again, back. Now it looks very complicated maybe, but it's not. Just play with your wire. You can do it. I know you can. So let's see where my it's much easier when I do without the phone on top. Okay, so again we do the same thing. See how it's like this? We go touching and position pliers again and go this way. So we have second 1, 2. After we do second one, I will put back and straighten the wire to the top. That's it. That's it. So now we have one long one and one short one. I will try to make them sit better, just pushing together a little bit. You can also use straighten a little bit. Push them together nicely. Don't be afraid, wire is pliable, so you can do that. Now, we need to put our work so that small wire will be going this way. For me, it's easier. I don't know you guys, but so I use my pliers, and when they join, just hold them where they join. Just hold them. I very press hard, not to damage the wire though. So, and then small tail, you go around 2 times and then you snip. But if you want to put bead, so this wire will be longer, because remember I left only like inch, you will leave it a little bit longer. So you will go down nicely, put your bead, and then just go around and cup and go around this little loop and just finish it and snip it. That's it. After that, we straighten this wire and I use Veil Maker plier for my ear hooks and make nice ear hooks, but I will do 2 the same and just curve it like this. Sorry for my dog, it's getting crazy. Also, after I curve them, I make this little, guys, quiet. He have a friend for a play day for just a little time, so that's crazy. They really enjoying their time together. Kink here a little bit and hammer this part. That's all. Guys, I know you will enjoy this. Make some, you can make them if you have different, maybe some different tools to make them even elongated. I never did, I just left it like, I just make this size with my brown nose pliers. And I use them, and then like I can use pearl, any one bead that could be cute. Let me know what you think. Sorry for my dogs, so I will disconnect now, so I won't hear more Playday dog barking and enjoying themselves. Guys, have a good day. I will see you next Tuesday. I know we have 20,000 people. I just want to make a little experiment. If you can, guys, if you like it, just of course like the video and also comment it. We'll see, because a lot of people say if there is comments under the video, then it reaches more people and stuff like that. Would love to know if it does work. I know we have 20,000 people and comments not 20,000 of course, but whoever can, just drop the heart, say I love this earrings or whatever it is, nice or something. I will really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. And for our little group, we will have a meeting on Thursday. Thanks guys. Bye bye.